Hey guys, it's Maureen and welcome back. Today we are hiking in literally the Manistee River. We are planning in backpacking this trail in the summer. Today is really cold. It feels like 10 degrees, but it's only 20. Are we gonna limbo it? So we're done with a peony. I can pronounce it whatever I want, right? Peony. Peony. Now we're gonna jump into checking out the Tangerine.
So vibrant. I wasn't expecting it's gonna be as bright, like a pastel color. It's awesome.
It's so bright. There's a lot of obstacle in this trail. I just changed my wallpaper into Tangerine wallpaper, of course. It's very smooth, and I was really surprised that it is so bright for spring. But I guess again, Apple probably is also gonna make this case as for summer collection. So it does fit really snugly, and then the buttons are so awesome. I love that the camera button is easy to access. Again, I still have to learn how to use it because it's kind of difficult sometimes with the double tapping, the photographic styles, and how to get into the video and all that. So I haven't learned that yet, even if I've used this phone for 6 months. The material for sure is really soft, and it doesn't slip on my hands. And I don't know for other people, but it's really grippy. I use this for work too, and I slide it on my pocket, my cargo pocket, and it really fits there. Pops beautifully. So if you're wearing a black or dark color dress, this will definitely pop. In the summer, if you have a white dress, this is going to pop even more, especially with white dress. It would look great because the only thing they will notice is your iPhone case. It does match my style because I like bright colored cases. The brand Apple itself, though it's a bit pricey, but it is really long lasting. I've had other cases before that is silicone, and it didn't really last. There's a texture of the Apple silicone case that is different from the ordinary silicone case. I've been buying this case for years, and it definitely chips easily when you drop it on a concrete, but definitely will protect your phone, and I think it will bounce, especially it's a silicone material. It's so peaceful. Never seen it scratched, but I've seen it chipped, but never scratched. Yeah, it really feels comfortable. in my hands, and whenever I put it in my cargo pocket, this is kind of weird, but I bring my phone inside the operatory and I set it on my cargo pants, and it doesn't fall. Of course, it's all the way down in the pocket, but you know, like some cases, the silicone case has its rubbery feel, and so it does hold it well there when I'm like standing and moving around. I've never had it fall on the ground or in the floors. No inconvenience at all experience that I've had. Definitely is a statement. For sure, it's an attention grabber case because of its color. And again, summer is coming. Orange is such a beautiful color for summer. And like I said, if you're wearing yellow, this would go perfectly with yellow, and also like tan colors, muted color dresses. It will look real good. Pros and cons in this case. Positive is it is very sturdy. I can hold it well like this and without slipping. And negatives is if you drop it, it will easily chip. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this to all of you. You guys know that I have been using this for a long time, and this definitely protected my phone. I've never had an iPhone that broke on me using this case. I dropped it a couple or a million times, but it's just the chipping on the side, which of course definitely protected my phone. Here, let me show you what I'm looking at here. This little tiny creek.